Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be packing up a little makeup bag. I'm heading out to the cabin for a couple days and I just haven't had a makeup bag packed in a while. And it's really handy to have that so you can just have a look in a bag and you don't have to think about it twice. So I miss having a little bag packed with all of my go-to things as of late. So let's get to packing. This is the makeup bag I'm going to be packing. It's from Rare Beauty. It's a nice one because it's cushioned, so it feels like it keeps everything protected, and it's a bit smaller so I won't overpack it. I don't need to overpack it. So up here is a good cushion place. I usually store brushes in here. I have a few things in here I kind of just leave in. Little hair clips, powder puff, and a mirror. Then on the bottom here, it has room here and then like a little netted area. Just gonna wipe it real quick. So I'll start with things I always forget. So that is eye primer, my eyebrow stuff, and a lash curler. So I have the About Face eye primer. I'll put my brow stuff up in here. Kosas Brow Gel, Kosas Brow Pop Nano. I actually ran through all my other brow pencils, so this is my last one. I need to repurchase them. And then I haven't really tried this out, but I got it yesterday and I want to try it out. It's the NYX The Brow Glue. Up here, I'll also sneak in my Freckle Maker and my Clio Kill Lash Mascara. Then I have a variety of eyeliners I have been using a lot, so I'm going to take them with me. So this was the Nabla's Cupid's Arrow in Khaki. This is Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Total Taupe. This next one is in the shade Limitless Brown. And then I really like this Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Sepia. It's a really nice one. This is messing with the white balance, so maybe I'll show you all the products and then I'll pack it all up at the end. So I like to keep my SPFs with my makeup just so I ensure I always apply it. This is my go-to still to this day, the Beauty of Joseon one. This is a new one, I haven't tried it yet. I'm so apprehensive of testing sunscreens out like in my usual routine, so I think I'll test it out at the lake just in case if I have a reaction. I have a few days to like calm down. I don't know. I'm so apprehensive of trying new SPFs because I'm acne prone, but we'll see. I trust First Aid Beauty. This is the First Aid Beauty Bronze and Glow Drops. I love this immediate bronzing enhancer, especially under makeup and in the summertime. So gorgeous. So that will be coming with me. As far as foundation goes, I've been loving this one, the Shiseido Revitaliscent Skin Glow. It's very serumy, light, and it doesn't feel too heavy, especially in the warmer months. So it allows me to feel free but corrected. So that will be my foundation I pack. This has been such a huge favorite of mine, the Tear Concealer. I'm packing two shades, one so I can use kind of as a foundation if I want in place of a full-on foundation if I just want to do some spot correcting and some light correcting. I have the shades 4.5N, which is my under eye color, and then I have 6.5N. This is your first time hearing me talk about this. This is such a fun one because it's so corrective, but you get a 2-in-1. You get a liquid as well as a cream concealer on the top. This one's amazing at correcting blemishes or any discoloration because it has a matte finish, and it really helps to add like a cloudy layer to diffuse that look of the bump away if you have a zit or something you're trying to cover. And the liquid is amazing for underneath of the eyes. So much coverage, but it looks so nice and serumy. Love, love, love this stuff. I'm bringing only one powder, and it's the Huda Beauty Loose Setting Powder in Pound Cake. Now, I love using this underneath of my eyes as well as all over my face, so it's like a one and done powder. Now let's talk about bronzers. These have been my bronzers of the summer. The Rare Beauty Liquid Contour in Solace and the Phytosurgence Golden Warmth Spectral Sunlight Cream Bronzer in 3. Such good products here. I can't decide between them, so I'm just gonna bring both. I'm going to bring a highlight. I've been really liking this one from Clinique. It's the True Highlight Weightless Illuminator, in 01 Moonlit Pearl. It's a really pretty one. I think this is a newer formula from them if I'm not mistaken, but it gives like kind of like a modern day Becca vibe, but like a lot less impactful, but obviously you could see it still does a lot. I think it looks so pretty, especially with bronzier looks. It really adds that summery vibe to it. So everything else was kind of like mindless decisions, but for blush, I literally never make it easy on myself. So these are all of the ones I wanted to bring, but this is not realistic because my bag is small. So let's do a little swatch fest. This is the Cali Ray SoCal Super Bloom Lip and Cheek soft stain, so you can use this on the lips or the cheeks. And this is in Dawn Patrol. It's a staining serum blush. So good. So high contender here. I love the Huda Beauty blush filters, as everyone knows by now. This is in the shade Latte, so a really pretty bronzy type tone. I'm kind of having a change of heart on the Rhode Pocket blushes, which is kind of crazy. I don't like them on their own because they fade quick on my oilier skin type. If I use these, I have to set them with powder, so I kind of have to work to make them work for me, but the colors are so pretty. This is Toasted Teddy. It's very similar to Latte, so I don't know if I need to bring that one, but this is the newest shade, Sun Soak, and it's a gorgeous burnt orange, and I've been wearing it a lot. I'm not usually into oranges, but there's something different about this one. I really love it on the cheek and the lip. It's such a pretty combo. So this is a big contender as well. I love a red blush in the summertime. This is the Rare Beauty matte blush in Grateful. I don't know if I'm going to be wearing red though, so I think I could leave it. Maybe this one here from MAC. This is another summer staple that I bring back like every year. It's Burnt Pepper. So it's kind of like a pinkier red leaning tone. Really pretty. Ugh, love this. The Nabla Close Up Blush in Satisfaction. Another bronzy. Patrick Ta and She Soleil, another bronzy option, but you get a 2-in-1, so cream and a powder. And I also like using this all over my eyes and such. Like I use it not only as a blush. That could knock out a few colors here, I think. And the last two I have here are Phytosurgence colors. I have the shade Sublimate. Which is a really bronzy kind of burnt red. And then I have this one, Swelter. And the last one here, the Milk Stain in Chill. I'm gonna attempt to narrow it down. Milk is coming, Latte is coming. I don't think this one's going to come because I've been wearing it so much. I wanna rotate and try this one instead. I really want this orange one from Rhode. This is so pretty, this so pretty, this so pretty. Okay, I can narrow it down even more from here because this is still a lot. Patrick Ta for sure because I use it on my eyes too. Yes, Milk for the stain, for the bronze, for the orange vibrancy maybe, and then, okay, it's either one of these two and they're kind of in the same realm. I've got a lot of creams going on over here, so I think it's gonna be MAC Burnt Pepper. Okay, I'm liking that. For my eyes, easier decision than blush. I have the Melt Makeup Ultra Gel Liner in the shade Spliff. Damn, did the Hulk close this? I really have been liking this stuff, especially in the waterline or as an eyeliner or an all over cream shadow. I've been using it a ton and it's kind of drying out, so I've been trying to use it up. So that will come alongside with my other liners I already packed. And then of course the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes in Warm. I want the Warms one because I think it suits the tones of the blushes and everything else I packed. I'm going to put this one actually in my skincare, so I have a SPF in my skincare bag as well as my makeup bag at all times. So because this is getting tight and I want to make room for another blush. So for lip products, just grab these. This is a new one. I haven't tried this formula either. It's the YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze, so it's like a more balmy formula. The other product that looks very similar to this, I can't stand because it smells like Long Island iced teas and it makes me vom almost every time. This one, Jamie Page got me, the Gisou Honey Infused Lip Oil in Red. It's a very light tint, but it's such a nice formula. I like it a lot. This is the Armani Prismaglass in 07. This is something I put aside during my declutters to retry, and it's a really cute one. It has like a nice nudie shimmer to it. And then this is just like a bronzy lipstick from MAC. It's the shade Warm Teddy. Ooh, I also have this one. This is Nude Honey from Clinique. So perfect for all those bronzy things. I think the only one I'm cutting out is actually the YSL one because it's too pinky with all the other things I'm packing. It makes no sense. As much as I am a blush addict, I think I'm becoming more and more of a lip liner addict. These are all of the ones I felt bad leaving behind. So let's go through them. This is Wonder Skin in Saddle. I think a lot of these are gonna look similar. Huda Pinky Brown, Huda Warm Brown, MAC Strip Down, Tower 28 Check Me Out, kind of pinky, I don't want that one. These are Huda lip stains. I've got Toasty Brown, and this is Soft Nude. I'll bring both of those. These are the Merit lip liners in Mayfair and Coupe. This is Coupe. And Mayfair. And lastly, I have these Lily by Red contour lipsticks or lip liners. I have the shade 4 and this is 3. I'll take 4. I don't need both of those. I'll take Mayfair but leave Coupe behind. I don't need Pinky Brown by Huda, but I think the rest is good. This one's like a really bronzy one, kind of a pinky bronze, just like a chill color, contour, stains, light coverage if I'm not going to be wearing much makeup, but I still want to contour my lips a bit. I'm happy with these, and I'll shove these lip liners up in this pouch. Now brushes and tools. So Powder Puff, the Kosas sponge. For face brushes, I'm going to bring my BMX 265 Glow Brush for highlight. This is the Fenty Beauty 110 brush for concealer. Good for the Tear concealer. I have a couple blush brushes. This is the BK Beauty 107 for powder, and this Rare Beauty blush brush for cream. Then I have this one for bronzer. Actually, I'm not bringing a powder bronzer. I don't need this brush, but that was the MAC 143S. Then I have my Rose Ink number 3 brush for cream bronzer. I know it's dirty, but it's fine. And then this one from e.l.f., the liquid bronzer and contour duo. So I really like using this for foundation. And then this one's a good one for foundation too, to clean up if you overuse your bronzer or blush. So I think that's all I need for my face. Now for eyes, I have 2 angled brushes, this BK Beauty 203 and this MAC 263. So a bigger angled one and a smaller one. This is my favorite brush from Rephr. It's the 23. So nice and tiny. Then I've got this old ColourPop brush. It's at E29. I don't know if they sell it anymore, but I use it all the time for little details. This is another ColourPop. This is E10. I like using this for inner corner highlight. This is the BK Beauty 203. It's like a flat brush, which is really good at patting on pigment all over the lid. Then I like to pack a variety of blending brushes. This is a Rephr 13 mini, such a good one for detailed blends. This is a Shoto 4, which is another nice bigger blending brush. Then we have my classic favorites here. This is the Smith 237 for bigger blending jobs. And I love this one forever. This is the Melt Makeup Day of the Dead collection. So I don't even know what this is anymore. It's all rubbed off, but I love this one. It's been a favorite for years and years and years. But I think that's all I need for my eyeballs. So all of these brushes will be shoved up here. Oh, I already have a powder puff, I forgot. Okay, so just the sponge and these guys. Oh, and I can just fit this in here because I might forget that. Okay, perfect. So all the brushes are in there. I could bring that, why not? And then all of my makeup below in here. Perfect. There we are. And there we have it. My bag is ready to go. I really hope you enjoyed today's pack with me. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please let me know what you'd like to see next from me in the comments down below. But besides that, I'll have everything I talked about listed and linked in the description box down below if you're interested. And I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.